Master Simple Tense episode number 2. He, she and it. Complete English grammar lesson plus introduction. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar course. If you watched episode number 1, then you already know that a simple sentence has 3 parts: subject, base verb, and object. Now, what are he, she, and it? First, we need to understand what these words mean. He is used for one male person. For example, he is my brother. He is my teacher. He is my friend. Notice that he always talks about one person. Now let's look at she. She is used for one female person. For example, she is my sister. She is my mother. She is my friend. Again, she talks about only one person. Now let's learn about it. We use it for one thing, one animal, one place, or sometimes a baby when we don't know the gender. For example, it is my phone. It is a cat. It is my school. So remember this important point. He, she, and it are singular subjects. The word singular simply means one. Whenever the subject is only one person, one animal, or one thing, this lesson becomes very important today. The golden rule: whenever the subject is he, she, or it, the verb changes. In the present simple tense, we usually add s, es, or IES to the verb. Rule number 1. The S rule for most verb life is very easy. We simply add s to the base verb. Examples: play, plays; read, reads; eat, eats; drink, drinks; sleep, sleeps; work, works; walk, walks; write, writes; open, opens; close, closes. Now explain each one naturally. I play football. He plays football. Notice that only the verb changes. Let's try another one. I eat breakfast. She eats breakfast. Again, eat becomes eats. One more. I work in an office. He works in an office. Whenever the subject is he, she, or it, add s for most verbs. Rule number 2. The ES rule. Some verbs don't like only s. They need ES. This happens when the verb ends in CH. Ch. Teach, teaches. Watch, watches. With SH. Sh. Wash, washes. Finish, finishes. Double S. S. Pass, passes. Miss, misses. X. X. Fix, fixes. Mix, mixes. O. Go, goes. Do, does. Now explain he teaches English. Why not teach? Because teach ends with ch. So we add es. She washes the dishes. Wash ends with sh. So wash becomes washes. He goes to school. Go ends with o. So it becomes goes. He does his homework. This is a very important verb. Do becomes does. Students often make this mistake. He do homework. Wrong. He does homework. Now, rule number 3. IES rule. This rule looks difficult, but it's actually very easy. When a verb ends with consonant plus y, remove y, add IES. Let's see. Study the letter before y is D. D is a consonant. So study, studies. Carry, carries. Cry, cries. Try, tries. Fly, flies. Now make sentences. She studies English every day. He carries a heavy bag. The baby cries every night. The bird flies very high. If the letter before y is a vowel, do not change the y. Just add s. For example, play, plays. Enjoy, enjoys. Buy, buys. Say, says. One more example. He plays football. She enjoys music. He buys vegetables. It says welcome. Now, practical exercise. Now let's see if you understand today's lesson. Correct these sentences. He play football. Yes, the right answer is he plays football. Now the second sentence is, and after that I will take pause. She wash her clothes. Yes, the right answer is she washes her clothes. He study English. He studies English. Very good. It go very fast. Correct. It goes very fast. The baby cry every night. Yes, the baby cries every night. Don't just listen. Pause the video and answer before I reveal the correct sentence. That's how you'll remember the rule. Now, common mistakes. He play football. She go to school. He study English. It wash the car. He do homework. Complete recap. Let's quickly review everything we learned today. The golden rule with he, she and it, the verb changes. Rule number 1. The rule S. Play, plays. Read, reads. Eat, eats. Now rule number 2. The ES rule. Watch, watches. Wash, washes. Go, goes. Do, does. Fix, fixes. Now rule number 3. The IES rule. Study, studies. Carry, carries. Cry, cries. Try, tries. But remember, play, plays. Enjoy, enjoys. Buy, buys. Say, says. Now it's your homework. Before you leave, I have a small challenge for you. Write these 5 sentences correctly in the comments. He play cricket. She wash the dishes. He study English. It go fast. She enjoy music. I'll read your answers and tell you if they're correct. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Bye-bye.